This lesson is on dealing with null values in the database. Now, in a previous lesson, I mentioned that we asked comparison operator, say about advance. If we were looking for advance greater than or less than to 5,000 or less than 5,000, this row would not come back because it's got a null in the advance value. Likewise down here, those two rows would not come back. Nulls are not considered as being greater than or less than anything. They are their own special thing. So say I wanted to see these values with the word null in them. Now I'm going to show you how I do that. So we're going to add a where clause. I'm going to say where advance, but instead of saying where advance equals null, I have to say is null. I don't have to capitalize the is. Just did that for dramatic effect. Let's go ahead and try this. Submit. So I get back the two rows where the advance is null. Now, if I wanted to see all the rows where it was not null, I do it this way. I say advance is not null and submit it. Notice I get the 16 rows back without the null value. Notice that I don't put the null in single quotes. Null is its own thing, and we just specify it that way. Okay, and we don't use equals or is not equals. We have to use the is or the is not to get the right response back. Now I can use this with an or and operator. I can say where advance is null or advance is greater than 5,000. Submit it. So I get back both. My advances are greater than 5,000 and I see the rows that have nulls in them. So this will all work fine. So this is the way you have to deal with nulls. That ends our lesson on dealing with nulls.